Why does my sneeze just
cancel itself like that?
I feel it loading, building, charging up like it's about to drop the biggest release of the year. I even do the face. You know the face. Eyes squinting, head tilted, mouth open like I'm
Buffering in real life.
and then nothing. Where did it go? Why is my sneeze playing hide and seek with me? Now I'm stuck in this awkward half-sneeze limbo, walking around like, hold on, it's coming back. It never comes back. And don't tell me to look at the light. I'm out here staring at the sun like I'm trying to summon it from another dimension and still nothing. Why does my body hype up a sneeze like it's a major event just to cancel it last second?